Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Blogilates recipe. Hey! If you missed last month's video, basically I bought this Blogilates planner, and at the end of each month in this planner there's a recipe. So for January we did the colorful winter salad. If you want to check that out, there's gonna be a link in my bio. Today's recipe is these chocolate protein baked oats. This is what they look like. This is what the recipe looks like. Let's get started. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1 cup of rolled oat, 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, which this is what I had on hand. It says real cocoa on there. There's definitely sugar and other stuff in that. So cocoa powder, okay? 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of monk fruit or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of your choice of milk. This is the milk I'm using. You could also use almond milk. And then 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Let's get started. Okay, let's turn our oven to 350. The recipe says to add it all into the blender besides the chocolate chips. I only have a NutriBullet, which is so tiny, so I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in here and mix it little by little. You're also gonna need a 9-inch pan. This is the one I'm using. Alexa, set a timer for 17 minutes.
Now.
Okay guys, so mine definitely looks different than from the picture. I have a piece right here. It looks like a brownie or something. It has like the texture of cake. My thoughts. Number 1, ingredients and prep were super easy. Making it was super easy. It all took under 30 minutes. The hardest part was the baking time, which was about 17 minutes. It's definitely thick. I could definitely feel like this will fill me up. I think this would be a cool dessert for breakfast because to me it kind of tastes like a pancake. But yeah, I really like this. I think I would add this into my menu for breakfast. I wonder if I made it correctly though, because I feel like it looks different than the photo from the one I made. One, this just looks darker, probably just a protein powder, but I thought it was gonna be like a pudding or something of some sort. So the fact that it's like a brownie type deal, but it's really good. You could use this as like a protein bar, I guess. But I really like this. I think I would use this as a breakfast item for sure. Again, I'll add all the macros right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Blogilates recipe. and I'll see you guys for next month. Thanks for watching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.